So today I'm making an update to my situation with the Kensun 55 watt HID ballast and bulb for my H1 HID socket. We were talking about this issue of dancing lights, and if we look on this side over here, we have dancing lights. Now, I contacted Kensun. They sent over this wiring harness with resistors that get extremely hot. That's what resistors do, though. And this is supposed to help with things like flickering. And it wasn't really hard to hook up or anything. Took a few of my extra wire pieces. Now, this is just a test setup. This is not a permanent setup because I wanted to make sure everything worked. But alas, not everything is working. Even with the Kensun relay harness with the resistors, I'm still having dancing light issues. So I honestly think at this point it's a bad bulb or a bad ballast. I've talked to people on the internet and they say a bad bulb, the arc inside the bulb is unstable, either to the bulb being bad or the ballast not providing power correctly. Now, before I had the issue, or before I switched over to this harness, I had a harness from Hella, which is a really good brand. And their nice beefy wiring harness provided the same issue. I'm going to switch back over to my Hella harness because I really don't care for these capacitors. I don't want them melting anything that gets super, super hot. And if there's no difference, Kensun just needs to send me a replacement set of bulbs and ballasts to see if that can rectify the issue.